The headline is Secret CIA-Funded Group Linked to UK Ministers. Two current ministers and two recent justice ministers have been funded by an opaque transatlantic right-wing group, global cult group, which includes members of the intelligence community. Declassified finds 8 current conservative politicians are associated with the organization. Now, this just happens to be a secret society that I've been highlighting in the book since the 1990s. The group is known as Le Cercle and was described by former Conservative Minister Alan Clark in his diaries as a right-wing think tank, or rather thought tank, it says, funded by the CIA, which churns Cold War concepts around. So Le Cercle has existed since the 1950s, but no public presence and has ever been revealed in any amount, and neither has its funders. Even the group's existence is only occasionally disclosed. It's unclear how influential Le Cercle is. Very. It's believed to meet twice a year. Well, that's the main thing anyway. Once in Washington, D.C. and once elsewhere. Declassified has found that 8 current conservative parliamentarians are associated with the group, including 2 government ministers currently, the business secretary, Kwasi Kwarteng, and his deputy minister, Greg Hans, have been funded by Le Cercle. How can you have a secret society funding government ministers? Kwarteng was given £5,258 to travel to Bahrain in June 2019 for a trip jointly funded by Le Cercle and the Gulf regime, which is one of UK's closest allies. 3 former justice ministers are associated with the group. David Lidington, the Justice Secretary from 2017 to 18, and Crispin Blunt, a Justice Minister from 2010 to 2012, were previously funded by Le Cercle to attend meetings in Washington, D.C. and Madrid. Rory Stewart, who served as a Justice Minister under the Prime Minister Theresa May, was previously chair of Le Cercle. Several high-profile U.S. figures are also linked to the group. U.S. Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia, who sat on America's most powerful court from 1986 until his death in 2016, attended at least one Le Cercle meeting while sitting in the court. I mean, why is it possible to be involved in these secret societies and still do these fundamental jobs that impact on society, like the Supreme Court? It's obviously all a scam, or it absolutely would never be allowed.